Welcome back. The Sport International Basketball Channel series, The Blueprint About Playing Basketball Overseas.
Hello, my name is Rüdiger Schmidt. After you watched my video, Do I Need an Agent? And you came to the conclusion, yes, then this is the video where I am explaining how to find the right agent, because getting in touch with an agent is the best thing you can do. An agent can make your career happen. It is crucial that you select someone you can trust and who places your overall interests at the core of advice and decisions, and someone who has the knowledge and understanding to do so. There are three options of agents. First, scam agent, non-FIBA certified agents, and FIBA certified agents. The NBA and Women NBA certified agents are excluded, since my video series does not cover these leagues. First, please watch my video about scams to recognize if you are in contact with a scammer. Second, there is no sense in working with a non-certified agent. They are not permitted to deal with semi-professional and professional clubs. They seem to not have the right qualifications. Plus, there is plenty of certified agents available. In the event that a player uses the services of an unlicensed agent, FIBA is entitled to sanction the player. Third, a total of 536 agents are now officially certified for FIBA, thus allowing them to represent players and clubs around the globe. FIBA recognizes the importance of players' agents and the need for a proper framework to regulate their activities, thus ensuring a smooth processing of international transfer in the compliance with FIBA international regulations and ethical standards. FIBA agents have made some investment into their work since they filed paperwork, registered a company, got a negative criminal record, and went through the certification process. Conscious of this role, the FIBA agent shall comply with the FIBA internal regulations at all times, represent players or coaches in an ethical way, see FIBA Code of Ethics, assist international transfer of players and coaches, cooperate with FIBA, its regions, and the national member federations, guarantee a top level of transparency, contribute to an outstanding image, ensure a high standard of quality services, promote fairness in the business. There are a few types of agent-player contracts. First, non-committing, just a non-binding agreement that the agent offers to find a contract for the player, and if he concludes a contract, he gets paid. No promise from the agent to do anything, and no promise from the player to use only that agent. Second, multi-agent contracts. Contracts with several agents at the same time, either all of them operating everywhere or each covering only certain countries or regions. Third, sole agency agreements. The agent is legally empowered for a set period of time to act on behalf of the player to find and pre-negotiate contracts in their best interest. This makes the future more predictable for the parties. The agent commits to perform the preliminary marketing and negotiations at his own risk and gets paid only by success. Which agreement type should you use? All three are possible. The question is how you see yourself acting as a professional. Agents will playing a crucial part in your basketball career. Signing with the right agent or agents is an essential process and should be carefully evaluated before you make your final choice. It makes sense to look at the situation from the perspective of your future employer. They want to handle it as simple, clear, reliable, and professional as possible with a person of good reputation. Type 1 contract. Dealing with a person who does not have a contract with you is not clear, not reliable, and not professional. Additionally, the question arises, why do you not have a contract? Is the agent evaluating your skills in the sense that he doesn't see any great opportunities for you and therefore doesn't want to commit himself? And or Are you not a serious business partner who perhaps can't stand behind an agreement 100%, which the club is expecting from you as a future employee? These evaluations exclude the first type, since all opinions are seriously negative points. Type 2. Here you have to distinguish if the different agents all have a sole agency agreement where the regional responsibility is clearly divided and does not overlap. Then it would be the same as Type 3. Or if they market you to the same clubs, which is a variation of Type 1. Bottom line, that the theory that many agents have more connections than one is mathematically probable, but must be tested in each case. The quality of the connection and the reputation of the agent must be taken into account. The best solution is option 3, a sole agency agreement. I should perhaps add that agents can also contract with each other to help in countries where they expect the other agent might have more success because of their connections, which could be beneficial for you. So far, I have covered the type of agents and agent contracts. Next, I'm presenting you to a checklist to find the right agent for you. Are you comfortable, also emotionally convinced of the agent? Accessibility and ease of communication with the agent. Now, during negotiation phases, after your pro contract is signed, to solve contract or personal issues. Positive feedback from his clients. Experienced agent. Have the most connections with team looking for players with your level of play. He has convincing, diverse, and high-quality marketing methods and concepts. He's an experienced, educated, and polite negotiator who can deal with high-level professionals. He should explain to you what is best for you in the long term and not just look for the money. Are you convinced that he places your overall interest at the core of his advice and decisions? He can advise on tax, insurance, and money matters, or does he have good connections for these purposes? He's familiar with the rules and regulations. He has a valid basketball knowledge to convince coaches. He maintains transparency. He's familiar with the Basketball Arbitral Tribunal, BAT. I have a separate video about the BAT. He operates in several countries. He has a homepage. Other background information you can get about the agent will be beneficial. Does an agent guarantee you a job? No. Your skills need to match the demanded level. No agent can fix this. The agent can drastically increase your opportunities and give you the advice what is good for you, ensures solid contracts, and supports you during your career. I will end this video with a presentation how to find certified agents on the FIBA page.
And all FIBA certified agents, you can start with any search page and type in FIBA agent. Select FIBA agent search. In case you get two options, the option with the S at the end of agent is a French version, so you should select the other link. On the next page, select I am a player, scroll down and select Find FIBA agent. In the field Search by Agent, you can fill in any name you want to check. If the person is not listed, he/she is not certified. Second option shows you which agent lives in which country. Third option is to select the nationality of the agent. The fourth gives you a listing of all agents. By scrolling up and down, you can find one and select him. Some steps might take a few seconds. For all agents, you will find their name, license number, company name, address, phone numbers, email address, and if available, the homepage link, where you should find more information about the agency. Back to the FIBA page, if you scroll down, you can find the client's listing of the agent. If you are missing some information, please write a note in the below comment section. I will summarize these questions to subjects and prepare a question and answer video at the end of the series.